They told me, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, a newborn king to see, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum. Our finest gifts we bring, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. Peace on earth, can it be? Years from now, perhaps we'll see the day of glory. See the day of goodwill, live in peace again. So peace on earth when we come. Every child must be made aware. Every child must be made to care enough for his fellow man, to give all the love that he can. I pray my wish will come true for my child and your child too. He'll see the day of glory. I play my day for him when men of goodwill live in peace again. Peace on earth. Can it be? Can it be? It's a pretty thing, isn't it?
Crashes in all around, it gets in. Now take your hands and raise them up into the air. That's all around you. Now bring them down like a clock at 2. Shake your head, you know what to do. They wanna put guns in the sky. Someone out there ain't gonna like it, but it could be good. Make us love each other. Have to realize our own future. Oh, guns in the sky, guns in the sky, guns in the sky, guns in the sky, guns in the sky. Child grows up to see guns in the sky. Used to be on TV. Wanna change? I got the joke, it's great to see you, but I'm running late. Da-da-da, love your hair. Da-da-da, lend me a 10. Da-da-da, I love your big house. Da-da-da, just spare a dime when I'm sick of it. It's a load of shit. We can stop the world and let off all the fools and let them go live with the guns in the sky. Guns in the sky, 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 guns in the sky.
if you want to send some stuff to me so I can check out what you have sent, please send it to this exact address. However, you may only send some stuff that I am interested in. No airplane, okay? Because if you send something like this, I will make sure that I will tell you that I do not like this film at all. Unless if you would send me that Zucker Abraham Zucker free film collection set that I'm gonna get for top secret, well, you can probably tell that I'm not gonna get it for airplane, I'm not gonna get it for Naked Gun, I'm only getting it just for top secret. However, I do think that you should send the set as a whole because, let's face it, it's a big deal. Well, we did get the 4K only edition for some reason, and yes, I got it for top secret. So make sure you send stuff like this, or this, or this, or this. And yes, even Airplane 2 the sequel. Oh, and get this, a special collector's edition of Twister, complete with a steelbook that features not only the secondary poster artwork, but the image of the pipe scene on the back. Heck yeah, I'm getting this. Well, actually, we do have the double feature set, which consists of Twister and Twisters, so we're pretty dang close. And also Airplane 2 the sequel, which had this cover. Just look at those nuts! I can't keep up with them all! And even the one in the original theatrical poster! Like, look at it! And just look at this poster for the worst film of all time! I mean, come on, do they really need to tie that plane up into another? I mean, that part never actually happened in the film! I mean, they clearly just used a toy model plane! Like, come on, really? And yes, this is what the plane actually looks like in the film. And here's another image of that same goddamn plane model, also from the film. God damn it, I hate this film. And its different titles, like this one known as Flying High, but I would refer to the film with this title. And the same exact thing happened with Airplane 2 the sequel. And we found the reason why. Universal. And the Concorde Airport 79. Universal didn't even want the title of Airplane being used in all parts of the globe, so the title had to be changed. And as for the Concorde Airport 79, however, not only did they have to avoid competing against Airplane or Flying High in some parts of the globe, but they also changed the marketing campaign from "At twice the speed of sound, can the Concorde evade attack?" to "See it for the drama, see it for the laughs." Why? Because Airplane exists. Or so we thought. But not so in this case, because on the 4K release, yep, it's still called Airplane, not Flying High. Do you agree that it's still called Airplane and not Flying High? Do you? Do you? Well, I don't think so, you confusing title-changing nerd. I just hated it so much. So make sure you send in to this address, and I hope to God I will look at them. And in the words of the good old immortal named Connor McLeod,
there can be only one.
If you came to party, make some noise. If you came to party, make some noise.
Airplane just opened the door to Hollywood for us for as long as we wanted it. I mean, it really worked pretty well, and we understood that kind of humor, so we could do that.
you're gonna love this end screen. We made it by ourselves, 60 frames per second and all. Scariest plane of all time? Make sure you look at the logo for some reason, because it's getting wicked.